to the Power Platform Did You Know episode number 3. My name is Ron Chang. I am the product marketing manager for the Power Platform here in Canada. And today I have with me a very special guest, John Sullivan. So John, introduce yourself.
Yeah, thanks, Ron. As Ron mentioned, I'm John Sullivan. I'm a TSP for Dynamics 365. That means I help customers decide on the right solution for digital transformation.
Amazing. So guys, really what we want to cover today is the Microsoft Flow product, and specifically we want to highlight a really great session that happened during the Business Applications Summit that took place in July, where Steven Siciliano, who is one of the key product leads for Flow here at Microsoft, talked about the vision and the purpose of why we have Microsoft Flow. So one of the things that he really mentioned is around this need within organizations to continue to automate different processes, but traditionally this has been a really hard way to do it. So sort of really articulating a unique need for this particular product. I thought that was something really cool, John, in terms of kind of really justifying why it is we have a need for Flow.
Yeah, great.
Cool. So guys, enjoy the session. Leave us a comment. We always want to know, what you guys think. Leave us a comment underneath the post of this particular video. And enjoy the session, and we'll see you in a couple of days. Thanks.